So going back to around the year 1, remember there is no year 0, of the Common Era, that we are looking at the end of the period of the Zugos, the period in which there was a Nasi and an Av Beis Din, who both controlled the Sanhedrin together, with the Nasi being over the Av Beis Din, the Nasi being not part of the Sanhedrin really, but above them, and the Av Beis Din being the one who controlled the Sanhedrin. And the last two were Hillel and Shammai. The Nasi was Hillel and the Av Beis Din was Shammai. And it's important to understand that they functioned together. And please write that down. That the last of the Zugos was Hillel and Shammai, and that they functioned at the beginning of the beginning of the first century of the Common Era. And they were also, as a result, basically the first of the Tannaim. Now we consider the Zugos not as separate from the Tannaim; they're part and parcel of the era of the Tannaim. But the era of the Tannaim itself is divided into two: the era of the Zugos and the era of which was after the Zugos, when there was the Av Beis Din no longer had the same importance and perhaps was not a separate position from the Nasi at that point any longer.